Welcome back. All right, party people, disregard the things on the table that I'm not going to be touching. I feel like, should I take this out? Ooh, I gotta take pictures of that to do that. I'm taking out the things that I know I'm going to be working with today. So here we go. This is for my display, so somebody bought the last one. Like literally bought my display table my display tray while I was setting up. This is gorgeous. I didn't realize it was gonna look like this. Like with the, what you call it? I didn't expect to use that much gold, but that gold around the rim. It was supposed to be more white, but I like that clatter. Oh shit. I used hella gold. Oh my gosh. But you know, it's fine. It's fine. I could have made like a whole set with that, but okay. This one, I want this to be like translucent. I don't want this to be as white as it looks right now. And I'm hoping it's the mold that's making it look so white. Because I want to be able to see through it for what I'm trying to do. Okay, I can see through it. Wait. Let me catch that there, so. Because that part doesn't really matter. This is the part that matters. My goodness. And of course, yes, I do have a market. That's why I'm here doing this now. Had a market yesterday too. Or I would have done it yesterday in preparation. Y'all know I'm lying. Because actually no, yeah, because these were made from earlier in the week. So I'm trying not to slice my fingers open. Going slowly-ish. Are they cutting grass? What does that sound? It's Saturday, people. Like I get, yesterday was a holiday for many, but I'm trying to figure out how I can do this without cutting myself open. Like, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Okay, hold on. I gotta take that off frame. There we go. I needed some support underneath, on the bottom. But this, like, oh, it's probably the heat gun. I'm like, why is this stuck to it in such a way? I need to upload these videos. I'm talking to myself like y'all aren't watching the video that's being uploaded. But I know I've been delayed with the other ones. Okay. Yes. I don't know if it's going to be clear enough to see what I'm trying to see, but we're on the right track. On the right track indeed. Okay, so I got this and this. Yeah. You see, I did good, guys. I measured properly, so I didn't have to cut anything off there. Okay, so this is what we got. Actually, I'm gonna take this out since we're here. I'm just not gonna take pictures of it right now because I'm rushing and I'm not taking it to the market. Oh, this looks good. This looks really good. It's giving Donatello. Yeah, it's giving Donatello. Okay, so I'm gonna try something with this. I don't know. I think I might want to do this over and keep this. I'm gonna leave that to the side. Something saying do something else. Is this nigga there? I'm cutting the grass. Okay, I need to get out of here. So I'm walking with these two. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to all of the social media things. Subscribe, turn on notifications, like, comment, all the fun things. And if you have it in your heart or your wallet to do so, donate. The girl is struggling, trying to find a job, trying to sell these, you know, doing these markets. So yeah, pointlesscreates.com for all things pointless crafts, pointless creates, all my crafts. But yeah, yeah, and just like everything else we do here, Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or, why am I standing here looking like this? Whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.